Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and it is time to get cooking. All right guys, so today I want to show you how I make my mango salsa. This is so good. It is perfect for summer. It's cool and refreshing. It is delicious served with chips or a side, and it's also pretty amazing on tacos. Now I have my ingredients out here that I like to use in my mango salsa, but I don't have like exact measurements. That's the nice thing about salsas is all a salsa is a mixture of finely chopped vegetables or fruits that you mix together, and that makes a salsa. So you can substitute some of these ingredients with something that you may like better. It is completely up to you. I'm just going to show you what I like to put in mine and how I make my delicious mango salsa. All right, so I have a mango here and 2 limes, red onion, salt, cilantro. I've got a green bell pepper, but you could absolutely use a jalapeno pepper, and that would be delicious and add a little spice. I've got some Roma tomatoes, and then I like to use just a little bit of agave nectar. That's kind of like a little secret key ingredient of my mango salsa. I'm going to begin to cut up my vegetables, and I tell you, this is the hardest part about making salsa is just chopping up all your vegetables. It's just time consuming. So I have quartered my tomatoes, and then I'm going to take out the seeds. So then I just want to keep the flesh part here. And then I'm just going to make very small cuts because I'm going to do a fine dice on these tomatoes. And then I'm going to go back in the other direction and just chop them up finely. And the reason why I am removing the seeds is it just makes the salsa real watery. So all I want is the flesh part. All right, so there's my tomatoes, and that's maybe around a cup to a cup and a half. All right, so now I'm going to chop up a red onion. And I'm only going to use about half of this onion. And I just want to chop the onion finely as I can. All right, then add the onion. Next I have a green bell pepper. And like I said, you could absolutely use a jalapeno, and that would be delicious. But I'm just going to, I'm not gonna use the entire pepper. And I want to also cut it up as finely as I can. All right, and then add the green bell pepper, and this is maybe about a half of a cup or so. All right, next I'm going to peel and cut up my mango. I'm just going to use this knife here. All right, then I'm going to slice the mango. All right, and then I'm going to again make fine dice in my mango, just like this. All right, then add your mango, and this is about a cup to a cup and a half of chopped mango. All right, then I'm going to take some cilantro leaves. All right, I'm going to bunch it all together. And then chop it up. And then I'm going to add the cilantro, and this is completely up to you as well, however much you want. That's maybe 2 tablespoons. But you can add more or less. All right, then I'm going to squeeze over the juice of a couple limes. Then I'm gonna add just a little bit of this agave nectar, and that's maybe a tablespoon. And then give a good couple pinches of salt. And then give it a nice stir. Look at that, how beautiful. All right, guys, and that is all there is to it. So simple. But of course, I've got to give it a little try, make sure that we don't need any extra salt, have a little quality control on a chip here. And the mango gives such a delicious sweetness to this salsa, and I love mango, so this is a winner for me. All right, guys, here's a little hint for you. This mango salsa is going to go with the next video that I have coming out. Can anybody out there guess what I'll be making? Anybody? All right, well, thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon on the next video.